Tracy, how have things been for small business in California over the last 2-3 years? What's been going on?
That's a big question in the time frame you posed. Obviously, we just lived through the COVID, the radical re-altering of how we all do business, how we reach our customers, how we get our employees to work, how we serve the communities, competitiveness, and just a complete reshift of what we have to tackle, especially for small businesses. The rules of the road, just to open your doors, just to operate, just to provide your service or manufacture your good or whatever, depending upon what you're in. Everything was turned upside down. We had to reinvent, recreate, and go into survival mode for many.
Do you think that that small business absorbed too large a percentage of the burden from the COVID shutdowns?
Well, because hospitality, restaurant, dining was the hardest hit sector, and so much of small business is in that sector. So it really depends on what aspect of the business you had. Now, others in small business, e-commerce flourished like we've never seen before. So much of small business who could move their goods, reach their customers by shipping, by communicating online, those businesses boomed. I mean, many were able to sell and get their goods because people needed things at their home or other places. But the ones in hospitality, restaurant, dining, it was a devastating blow.